So here's a quick one. I'm going to be taking us through how the live event app works on our website. It has been installed. So as we all know, this is Baroque Studio website, but that's not the issue now. So if users want to go through our live event, they have to just go through the menu navigation and click latest event, or go directly from the URL shared. So I'm just going to be clicking the latest event. So when they click on that link, they get to the page for the booking now. So this is the page for the Music Empowerment Conference. You can see how it looks like. Users can actually follow Baroque Studios handle. So you can see that this is actually a good one for Baroque Studio, being that they're partnering with other brands. You can see in the B to create brand awareness for the upcoming Stars and Legend reality show. Baroque Work Studios are in partnership with XYZ. That's the description. Users can see review, and then users can see the detailed information. So but now yes, let's go to booking the event. So you can choose seats. So according to how our event is going to be, there's row 1, row 2, like that. So in seat 1, so this user can say I would love to sit in front. Say peradventure this user selects this, no other user can actually pick this seat. So when they select the seat, you see it has shown 1, and they can click on book events. So immediately that is clicked, proceeds to checkout, which says 1. So if there's a coupon code they can put, but because this is 0 amount, and proceed to checkout. So now the user just needs to enter his or her information. Now you can see by the left hand side is the billing details. Now this is where the user enters his information. So whoever is paying enters his information here. So there are some cases whereby the person paying is not the person attending the event. So whoever is attending the event enters the information by the right hand side. So let's just do that immediately. So it asks, are you an artist? So there are many other questions that can be asked here while filling the form, but let's just check this now. So according to the seat 2 row 1 that we selected the other time, so if the user decides to change it, you can also view this here, and then the amount still shows. Because this event is free, we set it at 0 naira, then we can place the other. Immediately after the order is placed, you can see here it says thanks for registering for the Music Empowerment Conference. A barcode will be sent to your email address. Please download the barcode and share at the entrance of the event for our team to scan. So you can see now the information is there. So let's check the user's email. So you can see the user's email now. The user has received an email from Baroque Work Studio which says your Baroque Work Studio order has been received. So you can see all of the information attached here. So you can see that we received the order, blah blah blah. There's an invoice. So there's also another email that shows the ticket now. So you can see now this email shows that there's a calendar that adds Baroque Work Studio directly to the calendar. You can see now that says the empowerment. So when I check the downloaded file, see the information for Baroque Studio team to scan. So now wherever the bouncer is going to be on the day of the event just needs to use the mobile app to scan this user's URL code, and I'll be showing you that in a bit using my mobile device. As you can see now, the app is downloaded on my mobile device. So what the bouncer or the security guys at the gate just need to do is to log into the app. See, it takes me into the app where I can see different events depending on how many events we set. So now here is a case whereby we just set the music empowerment. So the person just needs to click on the music empowerment, can decide to expand the details to see the information for the event, but that's not it. So now here's Adebayo is not checked in, so you can check it now and just decide to check in the person. In a case whereby the entries are much, they are running into hundreds or 500, it is just advisable that bouncer at the entrance just click on this scan, and then you can see it says I understand accurate barcode scanning is entirely dependent on the speed and quality of the built-in camera. I understand. So we need a good phone with good camera. So all it needs to do is, you can see that sound has scanned it, and then you check this user in. You can see Bayo is checked in.